This 3-pack of PURELINE UKF8001 refrigerator filters delivers noticeably cleaner, fresher-tasting water using a multi-stage system that combines fine mechanical filtration with an activated carbon block. The filters are built from food-grade, lead-free, bisphenol A-free materials and are independently certified to meet strict standards for reducing chlorine and other common contaminants. Each cartridge is rated for up to 300 gallons of use, or roughly 6 months in a typical household, which keeps maintenance simple and predictable. Installation is straightforward and tool-free in most compatible Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, Jenn Air, Amana, and Kenmore refrigerators, snapping into place without leaks when seated correctly. The design closely matches the original equipment manufacturer specifications, so fit and performance are on par with factory filters while often being more economical over time. Users who switch from older or generic filters usually report clearer ice cubes, less odor, and a cleaner overall taste in both drinking water and dispensed ice.